Hey there, I'm Jasmine from Mine Overseas Australia, and I'm super excited about your US university acceptance. Check out this whole video to get the scoop on submitting the DS-160 form, and don't hesitate to leave any questions in the comments. Let's help you head on towards your goal of attending US school.
Congratulations! Securing admission to a US university is a huge milestone. But now, it's time to take the next big step, applying for your student visa. At the heart of this process is the DS-160 form, a key document for your F1 or M1 visa application. What is the DS-160 form? The DS-160 form, also called the Online Non-Immigrant Visa Application, is where you provide critical details about your travel history, education, and future plans in the US. Accuracy is essential. Any inconsistencies could cause delays or even visa rejection. Documents you'll need to make the process smoother. Gather these documents before you start. Passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your stay. Form I-20, issued by your university, including your service ID and course details. Travel history, details of past trips in the last 5 years. Personal information, full name, address, and contact details. Resume or CV, highlighting education and work experience. Digital passport photo, meeting US visa specifications. Financial proof, scholarship details, or funding evidence. Having these ready reduces errors and saves time. How to fill the DS-160 form. Filling out the DS-160 form is straightforward if you follow these steps. Access the form, go to the official CEAC website, select your country, and note your application ID. Personal details, enter your name, marital status, and nationality as per your passport. Travel plans, choose F1, student visa, add your arrival date, and university address. US travel history, mention prior visits, visa types, or denials if applicable. Contact info, provide your home and mailing address, phone number, and email. Passport details include passport number, issuance, and expiration dates. Family info, list family members in the US and provide parents' details. Education and work, summarize your academic background and work experience. Security questions, answer truthfully about medical, criminal, or immigration history. Review and submit, double-check all details before submitting. Save and print your confirmation page. It's required for your visa interview. Do's and don'ts. Here's what to keep in mind. Do's, save progress frequently. Use accurate, up-to-date information. Cross-verify with your I-20 and passport. Don'ts, don't rush. Errors can delay your application. Avoid guesswork. Consult your university for clarification. Don't provide conflicting information. Next steps, once submitted, pay your visa fee and schedule your interview. Keep your DS-160 confirmation page handy. It's your key to the consulate. Filling out the DS-160 can seem daunting, but with preparation and expert guidance, it's manageable. Mine Overseas is here to assist you at every step. From completing the DS-160 form to preparing for your visa interview, our experts provide personalized guidance to ensure a smooth process. Take the next step toward your US education journey today. Contact Mine Overseas for professional support and make your dreams a reality.